Yo, fam, check it out. I just got a fresh fade. Look at that fucking fade. Oh, look at the hard part. Fresh fade, no cap. You want me to show Kiba? I got you. We got the Shiba Inu. Oh, bro, the Shiba does not want to be here. This is what happened, guys. Look at him. He does not look comfy at all. You know, Kiba never comes out. So everyone just soak it in. Today, folks, we are going to be doing Apex Climb to Plat solo 0 comms. I'm down for 830 ramen if you're down for 830 ramen. Oh! Guys, I'm so fat. Jasmine went out to go get some Filipino food, and we got some Filipino food. Alright, fam. We are transitioning to a mukbang stream. Here, let me exit out real quick. Hello, everybody.
No, he doesn't want to say
Hey,
that.
good. Jasmine's right here.
Hey, good.
Hey, good. All right, fam. Lechon koali. Sisig.
What is that?
Yeah, it doesn't look like our sisig. I know. That's why
It doesn't look that good.
it looks too gourmet.
And then the last one is what I want. I have sinigang. It's pork sinigang.
She like it sour though. She like her sinigang sour. Oh, I don't want to tilt it.
Sinigang gang. Careful with my sabaw. Don't
I know.
waste it.
We're not trying to waste sabaw over here. We're just chatting right now.
Exactly.
Q&A time. If you want to ask us
You-
any kind of
You
questions.
got that right, Kevin.
Lechon right here.
Test the crunchiness.
Let's test the crunchiness of the lechon first.
And the what kind of dipping is that?
It's oh wait.
Looks different.
Oh, I'm bomb.
Not bad.
And where?
Let's. Oh, actually, you have to do this about taste test.
Sabaw taste test.
Let's mix it around.
Jasmine, queen of sinigang, bro. She will let me know if it's yay or nay right now.
It's all right.
Sisig gang.
I'm already judging it, but I shouldn't judge it. Let's see.
Okay, let me go. I love sisig, but I'll try first.
Kind of picky. I'm gonna avoid as much onion as I can.
Well, you're just picky about onions. Sisig has
What
lots
is
of
like
onions.
giant onions? Okay. I don't like it. I feel like it could have been better if it was more crispy.
It's missing that sizzling platter to get it a lot more crispy. And because we're not there in person, you can hardly do that.
Was it on a sizzling platter when you guys went?
Yep.
Oh, really? It was pretty good. When you went? Oh.
Bro, being fat is yeah. Kevin's right. Being fat
Not
is
water.
worth it. Oh, I got you. Nightbot telling you to drink water too.
My body.
Don't worry, babe. I got you. I'll finish this.
I might as well as eat some more seafood.
I'm telling you this, bro. The bulk has gone too far. I've never peaked. I never broke 200 pounds in my life, but it happened. Right after our wedding, I went onto the scale and it said 202, and I was like,
But he started to lose.
I had to
a
like,
bit.
I jumped off, jumped back on, and looked at it again, and it said 202, and I was like, looked at Jasmine, and I go, I don't know if I can run tomorrow.
But you passed your PT test though.
But I passed. I ran.
So that's what matters. We were watching the second season of Rent a Girlfriend. We started.
Oh
watching
yeah,
that
we
again.
started watching that. Like I finally had time this past weekend to sit down and watch some anime.
Yeah.
So we watched Rent a
a
Girlfriend
Girlfriend.
season 2. We
Uh-huh.
only watched what?
Just a few episodes.
2 episodes maybe?
Oh, but then we oh my god, we rewatched the last episode of My Dress Up Darling.
Oh
If
my
you know, you
gosh.
know that one scene in the Love Hotel. Oh my god.
北川さん今すぐ俺から降りてください
I was
Love that anime
cracking
so
up.
much. We had to go back and replay that Love
Yeah.
Hotel scene.
If you
It
guys
was like,
know, oh my god, it's like within the span of like 30-40 seconds, so much happened. You just like
over here we got
we
pig
had
everything,
pig,
bro.
3 different styles.
Pig 3, deep fried pig, boiled pig,
Would have been crispy.
broiled, would have been crispy pig.
Yeah.
Mm.
Have you talked about the whatever? What is it called? Evangeline? Evangelion.
How
Evangelion?
many of you guys have ever seen the anime Neon Genesis Evangelion?
Evangelion? It's wild.
Probably one of the most confusing animes I've ever seen in my damn life.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Oh yeah, there's that.
Like there
too.
were scenes like this and I was just like, what is happening?
Yeah. My coworker told me to watch this anime because he said it was one of the OG animes from like 1996, and a lot of the future anime art styles came from like this, like Gundam and all that.
Well, you watched it, so you can speak on that.
It's interesting. I think it's a very interesting concept. I didn't really understand, but like the last 2 episodes were super confusing.
Oh, you should tell him about how the artist went crazy.
Yeah, it's because like the director or the mangaka, he went like crazy, and you could actually like see it in the last 2 episodes, especially. What I say give it a watch. I say it's good, but it does get very confusing and very hard to watch over the last couple episodes. Even the last part of the what is it called? The movie. The end of Evangelion. That
I'm tapping out.
That part gets. Yo, you drank all that? Guys, I haven't really touched the sinigang that much. But Jasmine drank almost all the broth, bro.
I wish they would make another anime similar to Horimiya.
Bro,
like I like the vibes.
Horimiya,
like, the whole thing is just perfect.
Horimiya, personally.
Yeah, I think it's like
anime.
A top like love.
Top love anime.
Yeah, so
nothing too like they just get straight to the love. That's
too much.
They get straight to the love. Yeah.
There's no story build up, but this one is perfect, and it's like you just feel it.
Horimiya, episode like I don't know 7. They're probably already banging.
And I like the way they drew them also. It's very different.
Oh, I love the soundtracks of that whole thing.
I like you know, when like you can tell they're feeling a type of way, and then it's like the colorful like their emotion, the colorful trail behind them. Yeah,
like
that's
their
really
emotional
nice.
Colors and all that.
Yeah.
I love that too.
I was trying to get my sister to watch it because she hasn't been watching anime in a while, but I would probably recommend that to people. He's eating all the rice. Make him stop! Stop it! Too much rice. Too much rice. Is that bowl bussin'? Well, I ate like 95% of it. It was bussin'. He's eating the leftovers.
Oh!
There's a chili. Do you need almond milk?
Oh my god.
I have almond milk.
Bro, I just ate a whole fucking chili.
You didn't see it?
No?
Somehow I ate like 95.
I'll get almond milk.
I think I fucked up. I need water. You just think of the plastic? Oh my gosh. They put a whole fucking chili.
That was a funny little intermission. I will say I saw it and I avoided it. But I actually look at what I eat because I'm a picky eater sometimes. So I will dig through. But he just...
Guys, I've been congested. And I think my sinuses just cleared out.
I will let you know. I think that was the only chili.
I guess I'm done eating now. I didn't see what I was eating. I'm just over there like...
Oh, I saw it a long time ago.
And then I ate it. And then I'm like, huh. Like, why is my mouth tingling? You set me up.
I did. I did not mean to.
You didn't even tell me there was a chili in there.
I said I saw it. Good girl. That looked funny.
Mans can do the shot challenge, but can't do a chili. Hey, yo, we don't talk about the shot challenge.
Come on, Daddy. Let's go.
What's one chip?
The 1 chip challenge? It's literally 1 chip.
Okay.
And it's like, what is it, like a ghost pepper? It's a stupid...
Oh, what? It's literally a chip?
It's 1 chip.
Ah!
You open it, and like the minute you open it, you're like, my eyes!
Oh my gosh.
And you have to eat the whole thing.
I've never heard of that.
I've seen a kid cry on like a TikTok or something.
That reminds me of the meme.
Oh
of
my gosh.
Spy X Family. Yor was cutting chilies.
Oh,
And
Euro was
then-
cutting chilies, and then
And
Anya.
then Anya came and she was crying and she like wiped her eyes and Anya cried more. Look at Anya.
Anya's crying
She
right
is
now.
crying.
She's fucking bawling and everything. She's like, "Are you okay?" Oh,
Seriously,
guys,
cool though.
I have a freaking what is it called?
Dilemma.
Dilemma. I had a Halloween costume. But let's just say the bulk went too far and it's fucking tight. It's so tight that I had to give it to Jasmine.
Oh my god, when Isaac was trying on his costumes, you know, like, there's like scenes in White Chicks that like she's standing like this because she's trying to keep it in, but as soon as she goes like this, that's kind of how it was.
It was.
And I felt so bad.
Pictures.
He ordered so many nice outfits. It was all from Attack on Titan.
I ordered all these Attack on Titan fucking drip.
Yeah, it was so nice.
It was nice. Like, I got the full Attack on Titan outfit.
And apparently it was a size, what, large? Extra large?
It was like a large size, like what's supposed to be a large. Bruh. No way it was a freaking large.
Yeah, no,
I put that bitch on. This fucking sleeve was like this. Everything was like, I couldn't. And I got the full fit too.
Yeah, you really did.
So I was like, fuck. I was like, Jasmine, I can't fit this. Try it on. And guess what? It fit her perfectly.
All of the outfits.
Like, sheesh. With the part that pissed me off, okay, it's gonna be a leak. I'm leaking Jasmine's freaking Halloween costume. Is that she bought her own Halloween costume. It was, what is it called? An Akatsuki fit, like a chick fit. Yeah, she got the Conan fit, and I was like, she has two options now. She got the Conan fit, and then she got the freaking Attack on Titan fit that I pretty much just gave to her. Maybe I should be an Akatsuki member and get a fucking fat robe. Just get a big robe. Akatsuki cloak.
Cloak. Oh.
Bro.
You better hurry up and order it. Oh, it's not too bad. It's only $29.99.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, let's
Here
see
we-
if this is right.
Before we even fucking go ahead and buy this shit.
Where's the ruler? You have a ruler? Oh, you do? Okay, let's measure.
Okay, let's measure my freaking bust
In inches.
in inches. Okay, here we go. Or right here, and then you go around pretty much my boob all the way in the back.
boob?
No, like all the way in the back, like pretty much wrap around here,
Oh, I see.
and then 44, baby. I think I should go with a large. Oh. Maybe I should get the mask, the Toby mask. Yo, that'd go hard. Oh my gosh, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, what's the mask look like in Amazon? I would go for the 57 or 92 reviews.
Yeah.
That looks cool. You're not gonna be able to see.
Okay, I don't need to see.
You're only gonna see with one eye.
Add to cart, baby. I'm gonna go with the Akatsuki robe and this. I hope it works. Oh, it works, Jasmine. Okay, I hope it gets here October 5th.
Oh, that's they'll get here really quick.
Perfect.
That's actually pretty quick.
I need my guys. It's been bought.
Ooh, we are both Akatsuki.
We're gonna be freaking Akatsuki members for Halloween. Sheesh.
Count what you have now, don't count what you don't have.